Recently filed your ITR and unsure of its progress? Don't worry. Stay tuned till the end and learn how to check the ITR status online. Hi, I am Tushar Bakshi, a startup advisor at Set India Biz, where we provide tax, compliance, and IPR services to businesses in India. In this video, I will explain what's the process of checking ITR status? Who can check ITR status? What ITR statuses can you encounter, and is checking ITR status important at all? There's a lot to discuss, so let's begin without further ado. After an ITR gets filed, it can be at various stages such as pending verification, processed with a full or partial refund, or even rejected. Knowing its exact status will keep you informed about its progress. Moreover, you will be able to take prompt actions to resolve issues like incorrect filing, inadequate information, or income mismatch. The good news is that the process is quite simple and straightforward. Watch till the end as we walk you through the detailed steps of checking your ITR status online. But first, let's understand who's eligible to check the status in the first place. Eligibility and requisites to check ITR status online. Only taxpayers and their authorized representatives who have filed the ITR are allowed to check its status. For this, they need the login credentials of the income tax portal. Note that ITR status can only be checked if the concerned ITR was successfully acknowledged by the income tax department. So make sure you have your login credentials handy and that your ITR has been properly filed before starting the process. Now, let's move on to the detailed steps. How to check ITR status online. Previously, taxpayers could check their ITR status both with and without logging into the income tax portal. But things have changed now. Taxpayers can only check the status by signing into the portal. So make sure you have your user ID and password ready. If you don't, you can sign up or register on the portal to generate the same. Next, follow the steps I am about to discuss. First, open your web browser and go to the income tax portal. Sign in using your user ID and password. Next, go to the main menu and select e-file option. From the drop-down, choose income tax returns and then click on view filed returns. You'll see a list of all the ITRs you have filed so far. Find the one whose status you need to check and select it. Click on the View Details link next to it. The status of your ITR will be displayed. In addition to checking the status, you can also download the ITR verification form acknowledgement, the ITR JSON file uploaded using the offline facility, and the complete ITR PDF file. Hope this seems simple to you. But wait, completing the process isn't enough. You need to understand the meaning of the status that appears on your screen. What are the different ITR statuses available? Understanding the different ITR statuses is crucial to know where your income tax return stands in the processing pipeline. Let's discuss a few available options. Submitted and pending for verification. Now this status means that the taxpayer has submitted the ITR, but the ITR verification form is yet to be filed. ITR verification form filed is when the taxpayer submits his ITR without digital signature. Successfully e-verified. This indicates that the ITR verification form has been successfully submitted and received by the income tax department. Your ITR is now ready to be processed. Processed. If you see this status, it means that your ITR has been successfully processed by the income tax department. Defective. A defective ITR status means there are discrepancies in your ITR that needs to be rectified. The income tax department will issue a notice detailing the discrepancies and provide some time to file an appropriate response. If you don't respond within the allotted time, your ITR will be considered invalid and won't be processed further. Case transferred to the assessing officer. This status usually indicates that your ITR has been sent to your jurisdictional assessing officer (AO) and you need to provide additional information. Hopefully, these statuses will give you a clear picture of the stage your ITR is at and the actions you need to take for resolving its issues. Moving on to the most crucial of all the questions. Is ITR filing important? Absolutely. Regularly checking your ITR status online is essential for several reasons. Obviously, it helps you track the real-time progress of your return so that you can remain compliant and avoid any defaulting penalties. Other than that, checking ITR status also helps detect any unauthorized filings made through your PAN. You get a better insight into your assets and liabilities for foolproof future financial planning. For those seeking loans, banks often verify ITR statuses to ensure your financial stability. Additionally, keeping an eye on your ITR status helps resolve any disputes with the income tax department promptly and swiftly. In a sense, staying updated with your ITR status is a crucial step in maintaining accurate and up-to-date financial records. With this, we come to the end of this video. Hopefully, you now understand the importance of checking your ITR status and the process of doing so. If you still have any questions, post them in the comment section or talk to our consultants directly. We have shared the contact information in the description below. Found this video helpful? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. Hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Watch our other videos as well.